Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag, and in this case, it's set 30090, and this one is the Desert Glider. And I figure since yesterday we took a look at the Desert Rover, might as well take a look at this one at the same, at almost the same time. Also, if you're interested in this particular set, there's links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and Bricklink, and also the brick set page for this. And if you enjoy this kind of thing, if you're enjoying this kind of video, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I'm planning on doing one of these Polybag assembly build along videos, one a day for the foreseeable future. So just something to think about if you enjoy this kind of thing. Alright, so first of all, it looks like this guy's kind of interesting in that he has goggles attached to his hat. That's kind of neat. Let's see. We got a hat and we attach the goggles to it. Maybe attach the goggles to it. Alright. We attach the goggles to it. That's cool. It's kind of like the Iron Man face helmet, but not quite as involved. Alright, so he's got goggles, which is cool. And let's see. Just one expression for this guy. He's just a sort of cocky pilot type. There we go. And well, that's cool. No, I like the hat. Or the helmet. So he's got the helmet, and you can put down his goggles or put up his goggles. And that's cool. I like that. And once again, like our buddy from the Desert Rover, he's packing two guns, because apparently the desert is a scary, scary place with giant monster scorpions that attack temples. At least that's what it looked like from the pictures. So we got our two-gun. It's kind of cool. Alright, so we got to build the Desert Glider. So let's see. And that. There. And then that, and that, and this. Alright, so there's that, got that, and then I think it's this, but the color, I mean, like, I'm assuming that's the right color. Alright, so that goes there. And then these two pieces go here. Hold this down. Like so. And like so. Alright. Then we have our wings. And make sure we're facing the right way. So that one's facing that way. This one's facing this way. Like so. Alright. Got that. I got that. I got that. And that's in front. Now, how on earth are we supposed to attach these? Oh, okay. I did not even see that. That's kind of interesting. I didn't ever notice that. But the binoculars, I don't know if you can see it or not, there's a hole for the stud. So they can just attach like so. Well, theoretically they can attach like so. They can attach right there. Huh. I did not know that. That's neat. Alright. Good job this set already. Alright, so we got this, which is looking like it's going to be a piece of the engine. If I can Man, my fingers are just not working right now. Alright, that goes there. We got another one right here. Like so. And then we flip it over. And this goes on the bottom. And then we click in some wheels. Alright. Not so bad. We flip it back over. And go with this. And we use a little antenna to be the stick to fly in the airplane. And we got the windshield. And that all looks okay. Got the back wing. We got the tail. And then we stick the propeller on. Alright. This is okay. I mean, I'm not like blown away by this particular thing. It's alright. I can tell you that my favorite part of this is easily discovering that the binoculars have a small stud hole in the bottom where they can just be attached directly to things. That's kind of cool. But aside from that, I'm not super crazy about this. This whole like windscreen thing attached to this piece, it just looks kind of clunky. I don't know. But it's okay for a little poly bag. Anyway, let me know what you think. Did you like this particular poly bag? Or not care for it? Or think it's kind of weird? Let me know in the comments. And if there are any poly bags you'd like me to take a look at, you can also let me know down there. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.